Assalamu alaikum students, my name is Waqas Ahmed and today's lecture is 2 of mathematics, which is algebraic expression and algebraic formulas, which is unit 4 in our book. So let's take first study the expressions. You are familiar with the following type of numerical expression, which is 12 plus 6, 12 into 3, 3 plus 2 into 6, 15 minus 4 into 6. These are simple numerical expressions without any variables. So what is a variable in an algebraic expression? Variable is always unknown in an algebraic expression. In the expression 12 plus b, the letter b is a variable, and a variable is a vector or symbol that represents an unknown value. So what are algebraic expressions? After combining the variables and the numericals, we can find or form an algebraic expression. When variables are used with other numbers, parentheses or operations, they create an algebraic expressions. A plus 2, a into b, 3m plus 6 and minus 6. These three are the examples of algebraic expressions. The second thing which needs to be understood are coefficients. Coefficients are the multiplying numbers of variables. For example, m is multiplying with 6, so here the coefficient is 6. Same is the case with example 2 and 3. Here the coefficients are 8 and 7, and in third example the coefficient is 14. The next step is to learn that what is a term. The term in an algebraic expression, two or more than two terms combines to form an algebraic expression. Here in the example a plus 2, there are two terms. Number 1 is a and second is 2. So a plus 2 has two terms. Same is the case with 3m plus 6 and minus 6. There are three terms included in this algebraic expression. The next step is to learn the constants. The constant is written separately without any variable in an algebraic expression. So here in this 5x plus 7y minus 2, the constant is minus 2. Let's figure out what are the terms, coefficients and constants calculating basis. So here in 12a minus 6b plus 4, the terms included are 3. First term is 12a, second term is 6b, and the third term is 4. And by finding the coefficients, there are a's coefficient is 12 and b's coefficient is minus 6, so there are two coefficients are involved, and to know the constants, there is only one constant, which is 4. Same is the case with example 2, 3 and 4. The next step is how to write an algebraic expression from the words or phrases. So you can translate word phrases into variable expressions. There are three more than a number, which is equal to x plus 3, the quotient of a number, and 8. Quotient means to divide an unknown number by 8. That unknown number is y, so my answer is y upon 8. Same is the case with the example 3, 4 and 5. There are some key words to perform the or to write the algebraic expressions and algebraic operations, which are addition and subtraction, and there are some substitute words for addition and subtraction, which are add, plus, sum, total, increased by, and more than. And for subtraction, there are minus, difference, subtract, less than, decreased by, and less. Same is the case with the multiplication and division. Multiplication is the product, times, and multiply, and division substitutes are quotient and divide. Here is a homework or a little activity for you. Take out your rough copies and write down these algebraic expressions. Read them. 4 more than s, the product of 7 and c, 9 less than x. Same is the case with example 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now let's solve some examples of algebraic expressions. The first example is lx plus mx minus ly minus my, 3x square minus 3y square. So first I will make pairs. Lx plus mx is a pair, minus ly minus my is a pair. From first pair lx plus mx, I will take x common, and my expression will be l plus m. And from second expression I will take minus y common, and my answer will also l plus m. This l plus m, this l plus m will be common in the next step. And in numerator I will take 3 common, and this will lead me to make an identity which is x square minus y square, which is equal to x plus y, x minus y, which is the third formula in your book. So I will write x plus y and x minus y, and this x minus y and this x minus y will cancel each other, and the remaining term will be my answer. After that, take a second example. 3x square plus 18x plus 27 divided by 5x square minus 45. So in first step I will take 3 common from here. After taking the 3 common, I will get x square plus 6x plus 9, and in numerator I will take 5 common, and it will be x square minus 9. After doing this step, I will take the midterm big technique to solve this x square plus 6x plus 9. Recall your concepts of midterm breaking in class 8 chapter 4. So 3 into x plus 3 into x plus 3 will be its midterm break, and here I will again apply the identity, which is a square minus b square is equal to x plus 3 and x minus 3. This x plus 3 and x plus 3 will cancel each other, and my answer will be 3 into x plus 3 divided by 5 into x minus 3. Let's take another example of solving the algebraic expression, which is of product. X plus 2 divided by 2x minus 3y into 4x square minus 9y square divided by xy plus 2y. First I will write these numerators and denominators aside. X plus 2 into 2x square minus 3y square. This 2x square minus 3y square is the factorization of 4x square minus 9y square, and this 2x minus 3y and this xy plus 2y, y will common, and my expression will be x plus 2. Here I will apply the identity of a square minus b square, which is equal to 2x plus 3y and 2x minus 3y, and after cancelling the numbers 2x plus 3y, 2x minus 3y, 2x minus 3y, x plus 2 and x plus 2, I will get my answer 2x plus 3y into 2x plus 3y divided by y. After that, there is another example which is same as the previous one. Here just a little change, which is the sign of division, and when I will change this division sign into multiplication, the order of 14y divided by x minus y, x square minus 4 will be changed as x square minus 4 divided by 14y. After that, the process is same, the steps are same as of this example. Let's solve another example, which is the evaluation of algebraic expressions, which is 3x square y under root plus 6 divided by 5 into x plus y. Here simply I will substitute the values of x is equal to minus 4 and y is equal to 9. So after putting in the values, 3 into minus 4 square under root 9 plus 6 divided by 5 minus 4 plus 9 under root 9 is 3, minus 4 square is 16, and after multiplying these three numbers and adding to 6, I will get 150 divided by 25, and my answer will be 6. So students, here is your homework, which is to learn the algebraic formulas given on page 292 and write in your neat copies, and also solve some basic questions in your neat copies to learn or to see whether how much extent have you learned these concepts. Thank you students, and have a nice day.